Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In our previous lecture, we ended at two questions regarding linear equations in one variable. What were those? This was our first question, and we know how to solve these kind of questions. And what were those two steps which we have to follow? We have to move variable involved to the left hand side and all other terms to the right hand side. So first we will move this x to left hand side. It will be 4x minus x. These are added. And when I will move this constant to right hand side, it will be added 1 plus 2. So here we will be left with 4x minus x is 3x and 1 plus 2 is 3. After that we will divide both sides by 3. So we will be left with 3 by 3 equal to 1. So the solution of this equation was x equal to 1. And how we can verify? We know if we will put back this value in our original equation, we will get left hand side equal to right hand side, and we will be confirmed that this is the solution of this equation. So let us verify this. We will put value of x in both sides. So this equation will become 4 into x will be replaced with 1 minus this 2 will remain same equal to this side x equal to 1 plus 1. So here 4 into 1 is 4 minus 2 equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 equal to 2. So we are confirmed that we received this correct answer. This is the solution of this equation. And other question was, this was our second question, and we know how to solve this kind of question. Same methodology we will adopt. We will move this variable this side. It is being subtracted here. It will be added, and when I will move this minus to the right hand side, it will be subtracted. So this is here fraction is involved. We will take LCM. And we know how to take LCM. 3 will be the LCM, and x, here it is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into x is 3x. Equal to, there are two, whenever there is same sign, we will do addition. And sign will remain same. Minus 2 minus 1 is, we will do addition, but sign will remain minus 3. Now, we have to remove this 3. It is being divided here. When I will move it to the other side, it will be multiplied. I will be left with x plus 3x equal to this 3 into this 3 will go there, and it will be multiplied. So x plus 3x is 4x, and minus 3 into 3 minus 9. So x equal to this 4 is being multiplied, other side it will be divided. So x equal to minus 9 by 4 was the solution of this equation, and we can verify this solution as well. Okay, so now we will move towards linear solution of equations having two variables. In our previous lecture and today at the start we discussed about solution of a linear equation in one variable. There were two simple steps were involved, and now we will look at linear equations having two variables. Solving these kind of equations, we have different kind of methods. We can adopt multiple methods to solve these kind of equations. What are those? substitution method, equating coefficients, or we can say elimination method, then we have comparison method, solving by using matrices, and then by using graphs. We will discuss these three methods in our this lecture and in our upcoming 2 lectures. Each lecture I will be discussing one method. These 2 methods we will keep it for future, when we will discuss like matrices, and when we will talk about graphs, then we will look at the matrices and graphical solution of these kind of equations. Now for the time being, we will be looking at these 3 methods. So let's move towards first method, substitution method. So what we understand by substitute? In cricket and football match, we are normally listening word substitute. What does it mean? Whenever a player goes out of the field and other replaces him, we say it is he is the substitute. Same is the case with the variables. In equations, we will say like in these kind of equations, we are having 2 variables. Let us take one example. Let us take one simple example. What kind of equations are these? These are linear equations in 2 variables. X and y, 2 variables are involved. We will look at substitution method. So what we understand by substitute, like in football match, we say one player goes out, other replaces, we say he is the substitute. Same we will do with the equations. We will take, there are 2 equations, we will take any equation, okay? We will take one variable, either x or y, okay? Then we will substitute its value to back to other equation. I will explain you stepwise. Now these are 2 equations, okay? I can refer to equation 1 or I can refer to equation 2, and then I will take one variable out and I will put that value of that variable to other equation. So this equation is looking simple, okay? And because if I will extract x or y, I can see it is very simple. These are not having any coefficients, only 1 is the coefficient. Here 4 is coefficient, 3 is coefficient. So if I will refer to this equation, I can solve it easily. So I will take equation number 2. Equation number 2 implies x minus y equal to 4. You can extract y or you can extract x, okay? So let me extract x. Extracting x means I will keep x to the left hand side, all other things I will move to the right hand side if I am going to extract x, okay? Same procedure we will adopt. This y is subtracting, I will move it to the right hand side, it will be added. I will be left with x equal to 4 plus y. Now this x is extracted. Now from which equation you are extracting this? From equation number 2. You will not put this value back in equation 2, but you will put this value in equation number 1. I will substitute now this x to equation number 1. I am taking value of x and I will substitute in other equation. So I will call it equation number 3. Now what I have to do, I will put this value in equation number 1. Why I am putting it in 1? Because I took it from equation number 2. Okay, whenever you will take any value from that specific equation, you will not put back into same equation. You will put it to other equation. Okay, putting in equation number 1. So equation number 1, it is 4x plus 3y equal to 2. I will put value of x. X is equal to 4 plus y. And this equation will become 4 into, instead of x, I wrote 4 plus y. This 3y will remain same and this 2. I am putting this value in equation number 1. Okay, this equation number 1 became 4 into 4 plus y plus 3y equal to 2. Now I will solve it. 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into y is 4y plus 3y equal to 2. 16 plus, these two are coefficients, this variable are same, coefficients will be added. It will become 7y equal to 2. Now you see, now this is simple equation in one variable. When you will do this procedure, you will be left with linear equation in one variable. Now we know how to solve this kind of equation. We will use our previous knowledge. We will move this 16 to other side. This 16 is plus here. Other side it will be minus. Okay. So 7y equal to 2 minus 16. 2 minus 16 is minus 14. This is plus 2 minus 16. Two different sign. Always we do subtraction and we will keep the sign of greater value. 16 is greater, it will be minus sign and we will do subtraction. This 7 is multiplying here. I will move to other side, it will be divided. So I will be left with 7. When I will simplify, I will left with y equal to minus 2. So one variable, now we received the value of one variable. This was unknown, one variable. Now we have to find other unknown variable, which is x. After this, you can put this value in any of equation 1, 2 or 3. When you will put this value, you will receive value of x. It is convenient and it is better. You should put this value in later equation which we simplified. Okay, like in this case, I will put in equation number 3. I can put in 2, I can put in 1. In all cases, you will receive same answer. So I am putting this value of y in equation number 3. When I will put y value, of putting this value, equation number 3. So x will become equal to 4 plus value of y is minus 2. Instead of y, I am writing minus 2. X equal to 4 plus into minus is minus 4 minus 2. X will become 2. So this is the solution of these two equations. How we will write this solution set? Value of x, y equal to x is 2, y is minus 2. We say this is solution set of these two equations. This is one solution. Okay. Value of each variable is one solution. This we call solution set. We can verify this solution how we verify? We know the procedure. Whenever you will put this value back in your equation 1, 2 or 3, all should satisfy. Then you will understand and you will be confirmed that this answer is correct. So for here, if I want to verify this, I will put these values in any of equation and I will see whether my answer is correct or not. If I will put it in equation number 2, this is for verification purpose. We can always verify in equations whether answer is correct or no. Instead of x, I will write 2. This equation will become, it is written x minus y equal to 4. Value of x is 2, value of y is minus 2 equal to 4. This minus into minus is plus 2 equal to 4, 4 equal to 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our answer is correct. Same we can put it here and we can verify. We will see both sides will become equal. So this was substitution method. So if I summarize, in substitution method we take one variable out and we put that value in like if we are taking from one equation, we will put in other equation that variable value. Okay, this is the substitution method. I will give you two examples for your practice. Okay, you will solve by yourself and you can, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, simple equations I will be writing. Okay, I am giving you only one example. Okay, one question for the your practice. Okay, you will solve it and you can send me your solution in comments or you can email me. This was all about our today lecture. This is substitution. In our next lecture, okay, we will be discussing equating coefficient method. See you till then.